Hello, good day, Lord. Thank you so much for another day. Happy Tuesday, nationwide universe, to all people in this world. So I'm cooking because I'm alone here in the kitchen, so I make for my breakfast now. Later, now if I make to clean later, I make only to retouch because yesterday I make general cleaning inside with washing the carpet also. And last day, and so now I just make a slight cleaning now and to pick something, and I make cooking with my breakfast with the andumi, and I make bread. That's my bread for my own, make only for my own. What's that? Adventure, for my own, lang yan, for my own wants. At least that if I'm eating, nobody can complain or comment if not like or what's it. The important that I have food to eat, and thank you so much for giving me a support. Thank you, Madam, and the family of Madam and Sir, and to Sisi, that they're sharing also to me their blessings that while I'm working here as of my journey as a housemaid. Okay, so yun yung luto ko, and binubuel ko muna siya bago yan ko yung andumi para hindi matigas at makain ko ng maayos, kasi nga hindi naman good teeth ako really. So that's what I am here. While I'm still waiting, so I say thank you, happy graduation to all my nieces, Kiking, Kuya Kiking, she's graduated already now. I think today or yesterday, today, for the senior high school, and next month for my one niece also, the elder niece that I have, to Ate Jalel, for finish your college. And I wish everything for your future, and soon you have your own job, so you can find and you can finance by yourself already. Thank you very much. Thank you to all Angkan that we are still supported, and still that we are connected while we are still living in this earth, even we are belonging in the different countries and the different places. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you again to all bloggers, and to all some bloggers also